Hey there, Dr. Luke here, and we're going to go through a hip extension base for PAILs and RAILs. We're going to need a foam mat, something to protect our knee, and also some balance sticks there as well. I like to use the wool for this. Bring our foam mat about 30 centimeters off the wall, bringing our knee into this position, foot here, and we start to feel a stretch here. We don't want to extend too much through our lumbar spine. We want the extension to come from that hip joint. So make sure we posterior pelvic tilt there, concentrate that stretch on our hip. We'll be in this position. So let's start our 2-minute stretch. Great, so just breathing in and out. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Breathe out for 8 seconds. Try and relax into that stretch. Get the best possible stretch for our hip extension there. Try and relax. Slowly our nervous system will feel it's safe for us to go deeper into that stretch. And we want to get the best possible stretch there. Excellent, so let's go through our PAILs and RAILs. So our PAILs contraction, I'm going to be scooping and bringing my hip into flexion, bringing my hip into my chest. So we're going to be kind of scraping the ground and using the ground as that resistance to keep our joint in a neutral position, but an isometric contraction there. So I'm going to be pushing up towards the chest. Our RAILs contraction is going to be opposite to that. We're going to be scooping backwards into its hip extension. These contractions are going to be for 15 seconds. So I'll count you in on this one. So breathe into that stretch. You'll feel a good stretch into the front there, into that quad muscle. Okay, and we're going to go into our PAILs contraction. We're going to be scraping the ground, bringing our hip into flexion. 3, 2, 1, and contract. Pushing. Safe and best effort, really pushing hard here. Scraping that ground, trying to bring our hip into that flexion. And opposite contraction, we're going to be scooping the ground back, contracting our hamstrings into more extension there. Pushing. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. And we're going to go into another 45-second stretch here. So hold that one. Now, if we could contract for longer than 15 seconds and hold it for longer, we probably weren't pushing hard enough. So we really want a safe but best effort contraction there. Another 5 seconds. And we're going to go into our PAILs contraction. 3, 2, 1, and contract. We're scraping forward, bringing our hip into flexion, hip to our chest, really pushing as hard as we can. Keep going, keep going. Best effort. 3, 2, 1, and opposite contraction. We're trying to scrape the ground into extension, bringing our hip into extension. Really pushing hard. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. This is a 45-second stretch here. Relax into the stretch. We should be able to get an extra 15 degrees of stretch there. And just breathe into that stretch. Let everything relax. And another 15 seconds and we're done. 3, 2, 1. And what we're going to do is slowly come out of this base. And if we feel that we've done a deep stretch in that hip extension, then we've done a good job. So that's how we do a hip extension base, PAILs and RAILs. So give it a go.